2 times 5 is 10. Put the 1 up here. 2 times 3 is 6. Add the 6 and the 1 together to get 7. So that means the answer is 70. Now, for 35 times 20, it looks a lot harder, but all we really need to do is cross out the 0 and treat the question as if the 0 is not there, and then just add the 0 back. Third question, same idea, except this time we write down the 70 first, then we cross out the zeros, and then we add the 3 zeros back. Next, let's try 15 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Write the 0 to here, 2 up here. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now, if you wanted to do this question in your head, you can instead rewrite 4 as 2 times 2. So let's write down 15 times 2 times 2. And most people know that 15 times 2 is 30. And then you should know that 3 times 2 is 6. And then we just add back the 0. Now this one's a little bit harder, but 33 is close to 30. And 57 is close to 60. Then if we cross the zeros out, that is 18. And then if you add the zeros back, it's 18. Now the reason to do that is then we can rewrite the question as 30 plus 3 times 60 minus 3. Now we can do 3 times 6, which is 18, add the 2 zeros, and then 3 times negative 3, which is negative 9, add the 0. Then 3 times 6, which is 18, add the 0. And then 3 times negative 3, which is negative 9. Now we can start simplifying. 180 minus 90 is 90. Bring down the negative 9. Negative 90 minus 9 is 81. And we can get a final answer of 1800 plus 81, which is 1881. Now let's try this question again using long multiplication. 7 times 3 is 21. Put the 2 up here, the 1 down there. 7 times 3 is 21 again. 21 plus 2 is 23. Put the 23 here. Add a placeholder 0. 5 times 3 is 15. Put the 5 down here and the 1 up there. 5 times 3 again is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. And now we can add the 2 rows and we get the same answer of 1881. This might seem like a lot of effort and you might just be better off using a calculator here, but the key idea here is that you can estimate answers very quickly, and you can also transform questions from unfamiliar situations to more familiar situations.